And you can see from our sky cam, just a beautiful fall day out there. But before we talk about today, let's talk about yesterday. Also very nice out there. Right on par with our norm, 63 degrees. Our low was a bit warmer than usual at 45 degrees compared to norm at 39. Right now, 68 degrees out there, feeling great, mostly sunny, breezy. You see that southwest flow, that's bringing up those warmer temperatures. You see that across the Susquehanna Valley. Our neighbors in Lancaster also at 68 degrees, and Reading 68 as well. See down in York, 70 degrees, and feeling fine at 71 degrees down in Gettysburg. National radar showing that high pressure that's over top of us right now. You see a stationary front that's going to edge its way in the overnight hours into tomorrow. Mainly just bringing some clouds, very slight chance of a shower. You see that in tonight's daily planner. Those clouds are going to increase in the overnight hours. 48 degrees for your low tonight. Feeling great tomorrow though, 72 degrees, partly sunny. And like I said, passing sprinkle. Nothing really to write home about though. 54 degrees for tomorrow night, mostly cloudy out there and mild, feeling great. And you want to look at your 7-day because there's plenty of 70s out there across the board. Like I said, that shower is possible tomorrow, but mild, warm, warmer up until 78 on Friday. Come back right after the break.